Hello Activated Farm, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for the 3,551 subscriptions, I really appreciate. Today's video is about the Namuwongo Road construction project. But before we go further, do not forget to subscribe, because it encourages me to make more videos for you, because it keeps the channel going, share, and comment. Because your opinions are highly valued. Kampala Capital City Authority is advancing a smart city agenda hinged on three priorities, that is, technology advancement, to ease service delivery, infrastructure developments, to accelerate economic developments, and the third is well-being, targeting improving livelihoods and empowered homesteads. Namuwongo Road, 5th Street, 6th Street, and 8th Street are also part of the reconstruction project under the third lot of works of the K.C.C.A. Road Rehabilitation Project. Namuwongo Road, 5th Street, 6th Street, 7th Street, and 8th Street reconstruction project cost is estimated to be 24.07 billion Ugandan shillings. The Kampala City Roads Rehabilitation Project will entail reconstruction and upgrading of 66.79 kilometers of roads, with non-motorized transport tracks. And associated on-street and off-street parking areas, stands, as well as side drains. The parking facilities are to facilitate orderly loading and offloading by trucks, streamline operations of boda taxis, to optimize utilization of the road space. Other aspects of the works shall include junction improvements and provision of roadside market stalls to mostly women vendors currently selling fruits and merchandise along the prioritized road sections. The project also includes a 15 kilometers pilot green bus route to pilot scheduled bus services in Kampala using environmentally friendly fuels. The introduction of scheduled bus service along the green bus route will be the first step in formalizing and improving public transport services in Kampala. It will provide a paradigm shift from the current inefficient paratransit system, dominated by minibus and boda taxis. This project is funded by the African Development Bank and African Development Fund. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of the activated family. Turn on the notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I upload. And thanks for watching.